I would like some water.
Sure, I'll get you some water.
Can I have some water?
Of course, here you go.
I'd like some water, please.
No problem, I'll bring it right over.
I want to go there.
Let's find the best way to get there.
I'd like to go there.
We can head there now if you'd like.
I wish to go there.
Sure, let's make plans to go.
Can I have this?
Yes, you can have it.
May I take this?
Go ahead, it's all yours.
Is it okay if I take this?
Absolutely, feel free.
I am hungry.
Let's find something to eat.
I need to eat.
Let's grab some food.
I'm starving.
Let's eat right away.
I'm going home.
Alright, take care.
I'm heading home.
Safe travels.
I'm tired.
You should rest for a bit.
I'm exhausted.
You've had a long day, take a break.
I'm worn out.
Get some rest, you deserve it.
I'm lost.
Don't worry, I'll help you find your way.
I can't find my way.
I'll guide you to your destination.
I'm ready.
Great, let's get started.
I'm prepared.
Wonderful, let's begin.
I'm set.
Awesome, let's go.
Wait a minute.
Sure, I'll wait.
Hold on a moment.
No problem, take your time.
Give me a second.
Take your time, I'm here.
What's wrong?
Nothing much, just a small issue.
What's the matter?
I'm just a bit tired, that's all.
What's the problem?
There's a minor issue we need to address.
Do you want to come?
Yes, I'd love to join you.
Would you like to join?
Absolutely, count me in.
Do you want to tag along?
Yes, I'd like that.
Shall we go?
Yes, let's go now.
Should we leave?
Yes, it's time to leave.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
How about we meet later?
That sounds good, let's meet later.
Let's meet up later.
Sure, what time works for you?
Shall we meet later?
Yes, let's decide on a time.
Can I offer you some coffee?
I'd love some, thank you.
How about some coffee?
Yes, that would be great.
What do you think?
I think it's a good idea.
What's your opinion?
My opinion is that we should go ahead with it.
How do you feel about it?
I feel positive about it.
Why don't we try this?
Yes, let's give it a try.
How about we try this?
Sure, I'm up for it.
What's up?
Not much, just taking it easy.
What's going on?
Nothing much, just relaxing.
How's it going?
It's going well, thanks for asking.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How have you been?
I've been good, how about you?
How's everything?
Everything's going well, thanks.
I'm fine, thank you.
Glad to hear that.
I'm good, thanks.
That's great to know.
I'm doing well, thank you.
That's wonderful.
Do you like it?
Yes, I really like it.
What do you think of it?
I think it's fantastic.
Do you enjoy it?
Absolutely, I do enjoy it.
Yes, I do.
That's great.
I'm glad to hear that.
Absolutely, I do.
Yes, I like it.
That's awesome.
I agree with you.
I'm glad we're on the same page.
I think you're right.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
I'm with you on that.
Great, let's move forward together.
I don't agree.
That's okay, we can discuss it further.
I disagree.
That's understandable, let's explore other perspectives.
I don't think so.
That's alright, let's consider other options.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you, I appreciate your
I feel for you.
Yes, it's unfortunate.
That sounds good.
Awesome, let's do it.
That's a good idea.
Sure, let me say it again.
I like that.
Absolutely, here it is again.
Can you repeat that?
Certainly, I'll repeat it for you.
Can you say that again?
I said that I'll be there soon.
Could you repeat, please?
Yes, here it is again.
What did you say?
I'm glad you like it.
Could you repeat that?
I'm happy to hear that.
I like this.
I'm glad you think so.
I enjoy this.
That's awesome.
This is nice.
I'm glad you love it.
I don't like this.
That's okay, we can try something else.
I'm not fond of this.
That's understandable, let's explore other options.
This isn't my thing.
That's okay, everyone has different tastes.
This is my favorite.
I'm glad you love it.
I love this.
I'm happy you feel that way.
I really like this.
That's awesome.
I hate this.
Let's move on to something different.